finally got a deli that makes a damn good sandwich. I've been to a few of them so far, and they haven't been good, really. This is a Italian sub, and oh my god, it's good. So this is Mountaintop Deli. I really don't know what town I'm in, to be honest. But yeah, good stuff. My usual. I got some Yoo-Hoo, Mountain Dew, chips, coffee, sandwich. It's all good. I feel so much better. That was, I'm not kidding, that was the best sub I've ever had. That was the best. Everything, I mean, I just tasted just eating the turkey alone. Holy shit, it was delicious. I don't know how the fuck they did it. I'm swearing a lot today. I don't know how they did it. That sub was delicious. Man. It started raining and it cooled down, so I'm actually really good with that. It's just it was so humid, so hot. Oh, I feel so much better. I got some Gatorade. Man, that was a refreshing pit stop. So worth it. All the other delis I've been at have just not really been good at all. That one was amazing. And when I first saw it, I was like, oh shit, it didn't look like a nice place at all. But it was. Mountaintop Deli. Gotta stop there. And then there's a pizza joint right next to it, but that doesn't open till noon. I'm back on the trail. Occasionally you see some very, very impressive trees. This is one of them. Look at this damn tree. It is. It's enormous. I mean, look at that. It just doesn't show how the lens really does a disservice to this, but damn. It's massive. It's very impressive. I love that shit. I hope I got a good picture. I don't know. We'll see. So this is one of the days that I really appreciate rain. Because I started off the morning, it was just absolutely miserable. I was soaking wet, drenched with sweat. It was hot. It was extremely humid. I mean, it was like a fog, but it was just 110% humidity. And then I got a nice breakfast. I already mentioned that. And then it started raining. It's been raining ever since. But it cooled way down. And even though my feet are soaked, they were kind of wet to begin with, but the rest of me is fairly dry and fairly cool. So I had 25.6 miles to do today. I think I'm about 11 miles in. It's about 1 o'clock. So anyway, no, I think I'm further than that. Wait a minute. Anyway, I think I'll make it. I don't think it's going to be a problem. And I might even go further because I've been kind of slacking. Thought I heard somebody say something. But I've been slacking just because it's been so hot. I'm on a bridge. You know, I always like looking at the creeks. It's real pretty here. But a lot of them are running out of marshes and swamps, and I wouldn't drink it. But anyway, so yeah, It's rainy, but at least it's cool. I would have been wet no matter what, so at least I can keeping the rain off of me, just hitting my feet, which sucks because at least for me, I do not like walking all day with wet feet. My feet get all funky and I don't know, they get hurt. But I'm gonna be right on the edge of Connecticut, but I'm thinking about putting my headlamp on and making it to Connecticut. I had a goal to make it to Kent, Connecticut on Wednesday, and I want to make that goal. And to do that, I think I have to do over 30 miles today. So we'll see. We shall see. I gotta eat some energy bars later, but ooh. Anyway, the trail's not too bad, so it's doable. It's very slippery though. All right, I really hope the rain lets up. If it gets more rainy, that might stop me, and I might end up staying at the shelter. But it would be sweet if the rain stops, the temperatures are still nice and cool. Man, I'll keep going. But I'll let you know. See what happens. So this is Nuclear Lake. And I guess it was near the site of nuclear tests. I mean, I don't think they were... It was like a plutonium test facility or something. I don't think they actually got any of it in the environment, but it's really, really pretty here. So, 7 miles to the Connecticut state line. And it's, what time is it? 4:21. And then if I keep going, I was going to stop at the Wiley shelter. That was going to be my 25.6 miles. But I think I'm going to pass that and get to the Connecticut border, but then I have to go another 3 miles, so my shelter is 10 or 11 miles away. 10, I think 10 now. I think it's 10 miles away, which is, I can figure 2.5 miles an hour, that's 4 hours. So I'm not going to get there until 8:30, so I might be in the dark, but damn it, I'm being Connecticut. We'll see how this goes. I gotta cross this. I don't know where the AT is. No. Well, I'm not gonna make it to Connecticut. My feet are, I can feel that there's issues because they've been wet too long. So I have to stop at the next shelter and hope that I didn't damage them. But shoot. I hate it when it rains all day. It just kind of ruins everything. And I gotta set up in the rain, eat in the rain, sleep in the rain, probably wake up in the rain. Hey, if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it, right? Okay. So, going to Wiley something shelter. Right on the edge of Connecticut. Damn close. Just a couple miles, I think. Okay. Second trail. So the day started off just really hot and humid. Just really, really awful. When you wake up in the woods, people forget, you know. There's no sunshine in to evaporate stuff. It's wet. It's humid. It's thick. It's just nasty, you know. And then I had a great breakfast lunch type thing. That was like the best sub I ever had. It really was. And then it rained all day, and I hiked 26 miles. Hope I didn't mess my feet up, because they're, you know how your feet get all wrinkly, pruned. That's why my feet are, and I think you can damage them really easy if you're not careful. And I walked really easy today. But I'm set up here under a tree. Well, I was set on this downed. I thought this tree was completely downed, but then there's a branch, I guess it is there, that could still fall. There were actually two. That one I pulled down just because I didn't want it to hurt anybody else. But, so then I just went under here. It's safe right now. But now what's scary about this is that's a fire pit right there. That's a fire ring. This was a campsite. Tent pad was probably over there and maybe there, possibly. So somebody could have been killed, definitely, right there. And I had a friend, maybe you saw some pictures of him, Noble, and he showed me some pictures of a tree like this one that fell on his tent and just missed him. The branches stabbed into the earth right next to him. When he said it, I didn't really believe him. I'm like, that's just crazy. But he showed me pictures and everything and video and the whole 9 yards. Yeah, it really happened. And he had to get a new tent and everything. But it was inches away. He's had some really cool experiences. He woke up one day and there was a fawn tucked under his tent. And it was the coolest thing, he said. So the mother just kind of left her there. Oop, my water's boiling. And yeah, it was pretty cool. But it was so close to death. So they call them widowmakers. That's why. So anyway, I think I'm safe where I'm at. But tomorrow I'm going to be in Connecticut. And I have to go into Kent, Connecticut, to the post office and get a package that Lisa sent me. I had to order a bunch of stuff on Amazon, had it sent to her, and then she shipped it to the post office in that town. We timed it perfect. And that's new shoes and all kinds of stuff, so it's all good. Get that tomorrow. Oh, and in the comments, the locals said there is a pack of 40 coyotes that run this hill back here. And they said it gets really noisy here at night. No incidents, you know, coyotes are pretty cool. They said, but it's unnerving with a huge pack of coyotes. There's all kinds of cool bird sounds out here. I don't know what's what. I don't know what that bird is. It's got a damn good throat on it though. But anyway, so might get some coyote sounds again tonight. It might get a little noisy. We'll see. Look at these feet. Oh my God. That can't be good. Jesus. That's from being wet all day and walking 26 miles. Oh my God, they look awful. Oh, Jesus. Damn. Oh, I hope they're okay. Look at that. Wow. Those feet, oh my God. They're actually really painful right now. Oh man, they're just, I need I need a day off. I need to take a 0. This area I'm in. The area I'm in just sucks, though. New York, Connecticut. There's rooms, and they're real expensive, or they're just hard to get. There's no Super 8s or Motel 6s or anything like that.